Hajde, brate zove, lumpuj do jutra i noći ove. Pozovi taksi, sebi pomozi, jer ko će...
So how are you? How many chips do you have?
It's a stupid question. Everybody asks me the same, and it's always the same answer. I've got the average until the last day, I hope.
Well, so what do you think about players, tournament, all?
I'm a little disappointed there's not enough players, and there was only two beautiful ladies at the table, and you were the most beautiful of them. And you had such
Thank
freak
you.
of bad luck. I was on the table.
Yeah, you
I saw you went all in with two queens, beaten by nothing,
I mean,
and then again two jacks, beaten by worse, and you still got the beautiful smile. Huh?
I don't have lucky, but you have.
Well, I'm lucky in love and in cards. And
I'm just lucky in love. Yeah, not cards. So, what do you think about Croatia? Is it your first time here?
No, it's my millionth time here, but in this casino it's my first time, yes.
Okay, I wish you all the best. I wish you will come to our final table. All only on our TV table. I hope you look that.
And a kiss from the...
Yeah.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you.